Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm David Johnson with Dirt Cleaner Videos, and I'm here to just do a little product unboxing and a real quick check to see if I like it or not. In my last vehicle I had, my old pickup truck, I had a Garmin Dash Cam, and it worked very well, but then I parked the truck for a while and the dash cam went to heck. Tried putting a new battery in there and that didn't work either. So anyway, that one went to pot. So today I've got a new little Garmin to put in my little minivan. It's the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. Mini 2 right there. I'm hoping that this works out as it's advertised. There's a lot of videos on YouTube about the little dash cam. It's a very small camera. It does not have any way to view what's going on. So consequently, you save a few bucks. It's right around 129 bucks these days. That's as of April or May of 2022. Other dash cams are much more expensive, but this one seems like it's going to fit the bill for what I really need. So we get the camera. We get a set of instructions, it looks like. Hopefully I don't need that. And you get a cord. And another cord. Windshield mount, that just sticks right on. And a cigarette lighter to USB thing. That's it. So I'm going to go put this in my van and just see how it works. And yeah, I'll take you through the process a little bit. That's going to be a little bit cumbersome for me to do, but I think I can accomplish this. Put it all back in the box. Let's go outside and check out my ride. Okay, well there's the Vic ride right there, my 2012 Chrysler. It's nothing super special, but it's mine. I'll show you what I have to do to get into the thing. Here's what the van does for me though. With the press of a remote control button, you see things are engaging. You got the automatic sliding door, which is a cool option. You can see the van lowering a little bit. And then the neatest part, the ramp comes out so I can get in the darn thing. It's got a couple more things inside that make it a very nice ride for me, and I'll show you that in just a second. The other necessary feature that this van has, which is really cool, I got this little thing here. The seat goes back. Look at that. And it turns right. And I can go up or down with it. I prefer to have this down for this move. But that's what makes it possible for me to get into the driver's seat. Quick wash of the area where the windshield thing is going to stick. Alright. Got that part done. Now I just got to figure out where exactly I'm going to put it. And earlier I showed you the windshield mount. It already comes with the windshield mount on it, so it did give you a spare. So I've got to be able to reach it while I'm driving. pressure on there. And there we have it. The mount is up. Now I just got to run the wire. That could be a chore. We'll see. And the two cords are basically the same. One of them is much longer than the other. I will be using a long one, obviously, for the install. So I got to get this up and around the window. All the way to my cigarette lighters, which are on the bottom, or power sources as they probably call them today. It doesn't seem anybody uses them as a cigarette lighter in your car. I think one wind around there, just to keep that in place, seems appropriate. Light. I'll probably pull out in a minute. I kind of think if I get it up there once, it's going to stay tricky. Oh, that should go in there. If I could push that just right. Maybe. Still not in there. Yeah, hold. I'd like to get it in between here and there, but that is super tight. I need something to spread that apart. Actually, I may have found a path above the bottom glove box holder. Got it beneath the top glove box holder. I have to find a place to hide a little bit of the extra cord. I've got maybe a foot extra, but maybe it'll hide up inside here somewhere, somehow. Okay, and it's beeping at me because it has no SD card in it. I got the SD card from my old yeah, it seems a little pissed off because there's no card in there. There we are. The Dash does have a USB right here. So I could just take a short path and have a cord hanging there. That's an option too, just about a 14-inch cord if I could find one. This is my second test drive. The first test drive I couldn't get the voice commands to work. I did find out after doing a little research that you have to have the Garmin Drive app on your phone and you can set it up from there. Take a video. If I was so inclined, and I'm not, or if I had a passenger in the car, we could turn on the app on my phone and we could get a clear view of just what we were seeing. Because it does have a live app, and it has, maybe a half-inch delay, excuse me, it has about a half-second delay from real time to when you can see it on the phone. Let's see if this will pick up a license plate. I'm at 10 feet, 20 feet, 30 feet, 40 feet, roughly guessing. We're back to... So overall, I'm fairly pleased with the Garmin Mini 2. It works as advertised. The picture clarity is pretty good. You really can't pick up license plates too good. As you can see here, they're there. You might be able to figure some out, but certainly not at night. You do need to log into the app, the Garmin Drive app, to change the functionality of it and to get your voice commands going. Some people don't like it. I think it's a great thing. You can just tell your Garmin to take a video or a picture or a voice. It's really simple. So I'll give this thing a B plus or an A minus, right around there. If you've got any thoughts or questions, go ahead and send me a comment. Until then, hit the like button if you enjoyed this at all. And we'll see you next time here on Dirt Cleaner Videos.